What's going on, guys? It's Jumaane with John L. Scott Silverdale, and today we bring you to a home in Bremerton, Washington. 3-bedroom, 1 bath, and just shy of 1,000 square feet. Let's go check it out. What's so sweet about this home is that it's on 1/3 of an acre. And sometimes when a house is on 1/3 of an acre, it's not all usable. But this place is fully fenced and all the land is completely flat. So imagine you parking your RV back here. You have so much space for barbecue. Let's go check out the other side. So I want you to dream a little bit with me here. Right now, I'm standing on just mostly rocks and it's being maybe underutilized. But you can have a hot tub here, you can pave it and extend the barbecue. If you're a family that loves just being outside, this is such a perfect spot for you guys. Thanks for coming on the tour, guys, and we'll see you on the next one.